Hello and welcome to this Islandora tutorial on making basic page edits. I'll be going over how to edit some of the basic elements of your Islandora site. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Islandora site. This user should have permissions to manage the theme and layout of the site. The web interface of your Islandora site is managed using Drupal. Drupal is very powerful content management software. This video is simply the tip of the iceberg of what can be done to customize your site. Your instance of Islandora comes with a customized Drupal theme already applied, which affects the color scheme, page elements, and other aspects of the site. However, the site also comes with certain default values that will need to be changed. For example, if we look at the About page, we see this default Latin placeholding text. If we wanted to edit this content, we could click on the Edit tab here once we were logged in, right from this page. We can also click on the Content menu item in the black administrative bar, and that'll show us all of our site's pages. Okay, and we'll choose to edit the About page. And here we can change the site elements. I'd like the title to be a bit more specific. Now in the body, let's get rid of the Latin. As you can see from this drop-down menu, you can choose what format to use for your text. You can enter PHP code, plain text, full HTML, or filtered HTML. Filtered HTML allows a reduced set of HTML tags, but that will work fine for me here today. The filtered HTML allows for some bolded text and a link. Below this body field, you have a few more options related to the page itself. You can add an additional menu bar on the page. You can give the page a unique URL, and a few other options related to publishing and authoring. Also, if you wanted feedback, you could have a comment system. Now we can click Preview, and that will show us the edits we made. Confirm that everything looks good. Our links are active. And if it does, we'll click Save. We get the green check. Our page was updated. Now if we go to the home page, click on About, we'll see our edits. Now, as with many changes in Islandora, you can track the revisions to this page and roll back to a previous version by reverting if you made a mistake. So we have edited this page, which appears in the menu, and we changed the page title. But we also need to change its title in the main menu so that it'll match. To edit menus, we would go to the Structure area of the administrative ribbon, and then we'll drop down to Menus, and we will be editing the main menu. This first page just shows a bit of basic menu configuration and an opportunity for a description. Then by clicking on the List Links tab, that shows me the actual links in this menu. I want to edit the About menu tab. And I'll be changing its menu link title to match the page that it goes to. There are other configuration options here with descriptions for each. And if I click Save, and we go back to the home page, you'll see that my menu is now fixed. And you can do that with these other menu items as well. If you wanted to change this to advanced search, it would be a very similar process. Finally, you'll see that your Islandora site already has your institution's default logo. But what if the logo changes? To do something like that, we would click on Appearance in the Administrative tab. From here, you would click on Settings in the Primary WRLC theme, and that's your default theme. On this settings page, we can change the logo image settings. Right now, we're using the theme's default image, but if I uncheck that, we can upload a new logo image. You'll also notice that your sites are using the Drupal default favorites or bookmarks icon up here. It's a small thing but can be an important part of branding. That icon can also be changed in much the same way here under Shortcut Icon Settings. If we uncheck the default, and choose a custom icon, to save these new changes, we'd come down to Save Configuration. Then if I reload my home page, we would see a new logo and a new favorites shortcut icon that appears in the browser. Thanks for watching this brief tutorial on basic Islandora site editing. I hope you've learned how to change a few basic elements of your site, and have a great day.